I am Bhushan Patil and I am a business development manager at Turck India. We are at Automation Expo 2026 and exhibiting our leading digital solutions for automation industry. Here we are showing our field bus solutions, and the main solution that we are focusing this year is on our industrial Ethernet switches, which are both managed and unmanaged and come in IP67. Along with this, we have our new IO-Link master, which is now capable to talk on MQTT along with other PLC protocols. Then we are also showcasing our legacy IP20 modules for collecting various IOs from the field and some edge gateway solutions. IO-Link sensor technology, and here we have a IO-Link master in different form factors, the 8-port one, the 4-port one and the 4-port one for the panel. Then we have some innovative sensors like the radar sensor seen over here, used for anti-collision applications. Then also a radar sensor with a different form factor. Then various other sensors like the fluid sensors, ultrasonic sensors, humidity temperature sensors, and also 3-axis vibration sensor on this one. So we are showing our XCOM IO system, which is very famous in the chemical and pharma segment. And here we are this year introducing our Ethernet gateways for hazardous areas, where you get industrial Ethernet in zone 1, and this is with the legacy features of power redundancy as well as communication redundancy. We are also showing our dual wall sensors, which are used in the pharma and chemical industry. So from RFID point of view, we are exhibiting our UHF solution of RFID alongside our newly launched, smaller version of UHF solution, which gives the customer a flexibility to choose between higher end solution and a mid-level solution so that the application costs remain under control. We also are exhibiting our different varieties of HF RFID solutions.